Okay, so we've got all the ingredients in front of us, and I get this sneaky suspicion this is going to be as fabulous as the one that we cooked yesterday. So, how do we actually get started with this?
Okay. Well, we've got the pork belly.
Yes.
This is a Berkshire pig pork belly. So it's a black pig, which is a rare breed. It's got better flavor and it's got more meat content. So that's
Okay. And in China, you can get that quite easily.
Yes.
Actually.
Yeah, absolutely. So this has been this is already cooked for about 12 hours in olive oil.
In the plastic? Oh.
We put it in olive oil and we do vacuum pack it, but you don't have to. You can put it in a tray with some olive oil. You put the pork in there and then you cook it very, very slowly in the oven. It's a bit messy because you've got a lot of the
juice.
fat. But you can see here, this has actually got quite a high fat, so low fat content.
Yes.
So we'll portion it first. It goes through there quite easily. You can see the.
Oh, look at that.
So if you're on diet, stay away from this.
Okay.
And this you can crisp up and use for a salad.
Okay. You know, the Chinese have a braised pork belly, and they use cinnamon in it, but it's a slightly different type of cinnamon that they use. Can you tell me what sort of cinnamon? There's Western cinnamon and there's a Chinese cinnamon. One is called cinnamon, the other one is called what? Let's see if you can answer that.
No idea.
No, I don't speak Chinese at all, so.
The Chinese say gui pi, okay, and it is actually a type of cinnamon. We call it, it's the same family, but it's actually cassis.
Okay. So we've portioned it. It's a lot smaller now. You don't need a lot because it's full of flavor and.
And
if you would serve too much of this, after a while you get bored with it. So hot pan.
Yes.
Yeah. Then we have a little bit of oil. Can I have the oil, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay. Make sure that the pan is hot before we put the oil in.
Yep.
Okay. Not too much. Just make sure it doesn't stick. Okay. Lower the heat.
So we heat it up first.
Yeah.
Heating the oil, it's going to stop it from sticking, but then we have to bring it down to a medium sort of low.
Okay, now this pork has already been cured again. So we've put it on salt for 6 hours and then washed it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't need to add any
Do you do that
salt.
before you cook it?
Yes,
Okay.
before.
Okay.
So that's what you want to hear.
Okay. And you can see you've actually also taken off that top layer of fat too, so you've reduced the amount of fat that's on it.
Exactly.
So you're just trying to, you really just want a little bit of that sort of sizzling, but that's it.
Yeah, in the beginning you want quite a lot of sizzling, but then later on you turn it down.
You want it to this.
Yeah, you want to have control.
Okay.
Okay.
So whilst that's cooking, what else should we be doing?
Okay. So now we've got as an accompaniment, like I said, we do the pumpkin mash.
Should I heat this up?
Yeah. Okay. So we've got pumpkin, which has been steamed first.
Yep.
And then later on mashed like a mashed potato.
Yep.
Yeah. Then we have hazelnut oil here. This is for the finishing.
Lovely.
And we've got a bit of double cream.
Because he's from Holland. Okay, so pour it all in.
Yeah, all of it. And then you can put the cream. Add the cream to it, but not too much. Can I do that? Not that I don't trust you.
I know that you're really wanting this to become a good dish, right?
Well, I'm not on TV every day.
As little as possible.
Minimize the danger. You can see we're rendering a lot of the fat.
Yeah.
And then what we do is in the last 5 minutes we add some cinnamon.
So it's going to flavour it.
Yes.
Are we going to use the oil in a second?
No.
Okay.
No, the oil is pure pork
now
fat.
I'm going to heat this up then, am I?
Yeah, that's just a little bit of red wine jus. So it's got red wine, a little bit of beef jus, and then we reduce it down.
Okay.
Very simple.
Says every chef.
It is simple. Take some time.
And I should not burn it then, right?
Preferably not. No, just low heat, just warm it up.
Okay. Whilst we're doing this, you were talking about this fabulous. Oh, that's how walnut. Oh, it smells actually quite.
The honey and the walnut. The hazelnut, sorry.
Oh, it's a lovely smell. Actually, good nut
sure.
Okay.
Now the glaze.
Yes.
Right? So can I have a spoon, please?
A spoon.
So this one is the.
That's
That was the hazelnut. We need that later on. Finish off the pumpkin. So we do a little bit of cinnamon.
Yep. So we're using both the cinnamon stick and the powder in this dish. Ah, you're getting fancy.
It was near. It was luck.
Yum. Now that is a nice concoction.
Okay, so that's the glaze. The glaze is done.
Okay. Now, see, I'm sure you could just leave that made up.
Yes.
You know.
I think we're ready to plate up.
Do
we have
want
to finish this.
Yes, we need to finish this. We don't need it on the heat now, do we?
No, because you've got everything in there already. So we're going to put a little bit of the. This was right there.
Okay.
The hazelnut oil.
Okay,
We'll
so
give
we
it a
plate
bit of a
now.
whisk. Emulsify it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yes?
that's what we're doing. Make sure it gets really.
All right, okay.
Put this. And then we take our pork.
Beautiful. That is probably one of the best cooked pieces of pork I've seen. That is just sensational. Okay.
Okay, now we do the glaze.
So you do the glaze after.
Yes, just a little bit. You can use a brush.
Brilliant. Oh my God, that's brilliant. Oh, and then it just absorbs
Yep.
all of the flavors. Look at it. It's just sucking it all up.
Now we have the
Yum.
chorizo.
And the chorizo is done the same way then as the
Yeah.
crackling, is
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Just try it out. So we mix that,
Yeah.
so you get a real nice porky.
And you've got a lot of the texture there then.
Mm-hmm.
Very easy.
Use our hands today. Just a little bit for color.
Beautiful. Wow, who would have thought someone from Holland could create something like this?